Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the Blue Alliance, it is Warriorbergs first to score their note in the speaker. However, Red Alliance matching that with some of their own. Biomech scoring 1. 5 seconds left on Autonomous, and they pick up another note. Looks like that one might not be quite lined up, but it is currently Red who will be starting Teleop with the lead. And now all 3 Red robots on the move, looking to add to that. Looks like Prepatech. They have 1 note on board, while their alliance partners hit 1 more shot in the speaker and 2 more courtesy of the Biomechs. Over on Blue, meanwhile, it is Warriorborgs trying to fight for some of those notes available on the field. They're scoring 1 in their own speaker. And we see a couple of our robots trying to get by each other around midfield. Prepatech looks like they're trying to edge around Skywalker, perhaps on the way to human player to pick up a note. However, meanwhile, both their alliance partners on Red have been scoring. Biomechs in the speaker and Wild Hats in that Red amp. And it looks like Red, they have 2 notes banked in their amp. They are ready to amplify that Red speaker when necessary. On Blue, meanwhile, Warriorborgs looked like they had a note stuck for a little bit. They managed to get rid of it, however, and pick it up again. And this time they bring it over to their amp. However, it is Red Alliance still hanging on to a lead by 12 points. Make that a few more as they score in their amplified speaker. And with a minute left, Red still hanging on to that lead. Blue is not out of this fight yet, however. Warriorborgs racing across field. Trying to grab a note from over by their human player. They do come back with 1, lining up in front of their speaker, and that is a score for the Blue Alliance. And with 45 seconds left, Red Alliance is most of the way to the threshold for the extra RP, but they will still need to score 18 notes in total. That means they have 35 seconds to get 3 more scored in either the amp or the speaker. And Wild Hats gets 1 of those done in the amp, and Biomech score the speaker as well. So Red Alliance needs just 1 more note for that RP, and it looks like Wild Hats will deliver it. And right on cue, we enter the final 20 seconds of the match. Time for teams to start trying to score high notes on the microphone. Looks like Red Alliance does get 1. So with 10 seconds left, Red has 1 stage spotlit. Blue, their high note bounces out, but 3256 is up in the air for Blue. 1 second left, and it looks like they are the only team who will finish on stage. 58-31. And the Red Alliance has earned 3 ranking points in total, keeping 841 in rank 6 and moving their alliance partners up in the rankings.